Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to show popular posts first on the Line section within the Lime application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Click on the home button down below. And after that, tap on the settings option in the upper right corner of the screen. Then you should scroll down to the general section and click on Line. Scroll down and here you can find the show popular posts first option that you can enable by clicking on this button on the right side of the screen, thereby showing popular posts first that you might like on Line. If you want to see the newest posts first, you should disable this setting. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.